So you definitely want to create a plan when it comes to certification. Planning is pretty critical. As I said before, try to get a big picture view of what you're doing and your goals and how they relate to the next 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, etc. And then lay out a schedule. Arrange a cycle that works with your schedule. When I did this, I was able to go from nothing to A+, Net Plus, and MCSE, and I did it in 10 months. Now that's quick, but I really did exactly what it says here. I decided I was going to take one class a month. And for the duration of that 5-day class, and for the duration of that month, I was going to study for that exam and take practice exams and take it with the goal being that when the next course was scheduled, I would have already passed the previous exam. Okay? And that worked for me at that time. A couple part-time jobs, in the morning, in the evening, and I was able to focus. Obviously, everybody's life is a little bit different. And today you have the advantage of all these video courses. Okay, so you really can do this on your own pace, but I still would strongly suggest that you get a schedule and work with it. So finish the course, finish the practice questions. Practice questions are really just review questions for the course. They're not meant to mimic the actual exam. The practice exam software is, so you should definitely be taking practice exams and scheduling 80% or higher before you schedule the real exam. And then we go, take it and pass it. And don't procrastinate, because it's real easy, especially when you're shoving a bunch of new information in your brain. It's going to be real easy to forget that information if we don't get right on it.